Hey guys, this is Fundo on Parama. Tonight on Imbewu, Mazulu is super excited about going to the obstetrician with Spongile, but lately does she knows that the later is complementing an abortion, and Spongile wants to cut off with Zetulele and the baby. Nairobi decides to pay back Makosazana man's money so she can remove herself from the situation. After Makosazana confronts Nairobi with the gun, but Nairobi tries to come back with the gun, but he decides to leave the things that bring her on the man's money. Nomusa later asked Lindiwe to spy onto Shelane and the girls for a fee, while Mzwandile, disappointed by Zagiti, she kicked Mzwandile out of the office and tell her that his work is on the desk of security. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.